Guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very quick one because I'm going to try to teach you guys how to draw your eyebrows. Now I know that there's a lot of eyebrow tutorial videos out there, but what I'm going to show you guys today is very new. It's not actually my own invention. It's something I saw somewhere and I tried to recreate this on myself, and I thought, why not just come on YouTube and also teach you guys how to do this. I feel like this technique is like one of the simplest methods that you can use to draw your eyebrows. For some of you that are still finding it very difficult to draw your eyebrows, I feel like if you can get hold of this method, then you can draw your eyebrows as fast as possible and also with precision. So you don't need much for this thing. What you need is just your eyebrow pencil or your eyebrow powder, whatever you have, your brush for eyebrow brush, and then your concealer and the concealer brush. So we need just how many things? Just this thing that I have over here, and you're good to go. First of all, you need to make sure that your eyebrow is shaped, right? Comb out your eyebrow, comb out. So the next thing that you need to do is you mark a line like this on your eyebrow. See, mark a line going downwards from this place, downwards like this. Then from here, take another line upwards to your arc, okay, somewhere here. So I take another line, go upwards to my arc. So one line down, make another line going upwards to your arc like this. And then the next thing that you need to do is push it down. So you have a line going like this, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. So the next thing that you need to do is to fill it out. Okay. The next thing you need to do is follow the line down here, like the point you made here. Follow it down and meet this point where it ended. Okay, like this. So you follow it and you meet the point. See? I'm not gonna try to clean anything. I'm going to clean up with my concealer at the end of the day. And then we also follow the line from here, remember the point here, and meet it up with the point at the arch area. Yeah, so I'm trying to do this as slow as possible so you guys can see. So you see, so now we have this point in this front. So you just, from the point here down to where your eyebrow started, somewhere here. So just take it out and take it out. Okay, so you have an eyebrow. So what you need to do now is to fill it in. So I use my pencil to fill in. So basically you have your eyebrow all already drawn and ready. So the next thing we need to do is to take the eyebrow brush and then brush out the front part to make it look more natural. Okay, so we brush it out, and yeah. So the next thing we need to do is try to touch up some areas. If you feel like some areas are not actually looking nice, touch it up. Okay, so done touching it up. So the next thing I'm supposed to do is try to clean it up using the concealer. So okay, you can decide to draw this small or big depending on how how thick or thin you want your eyebrows to be. Depends on your choice. Okay, so we clean the down part, and then let's move to the upper part. Normally I don't like to clean the upper part of my brow. I feel like there is nothing actually to clean when it comes to the upper part. My brow, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to, you know, just clean your brows the way you clean your brows, and you will find out that your perfect brows is set. So if you get a hang of this is not going to take you a good 5 minutes to complete this brow tutorial. Not the tutorial, like complete it on yourself on a normal day if you're going out or something. So yeah, so starting off with my eyebrows brushed, and then the next thing I need to do is what? Make a line, right? Make a line from here down, from here down, and then from here go up to my arc. Okay, so I make a line over to my arc, and then from my arc here I draw it down. Okay, just a straight line down. Okay, finish. What you need to do is from the points down here, fill it in, draw it down in to meet the line that you made before, right? Okay, and then from here the points up here meet the arc right here. And the next thing, from this point down here, finish off the front part and finish up this front part. Go ahead and fill it in, fill out the spaces, and your eyebrow is done. Brush out, clean up, okay, it's properly brushed out now. Brush out, then I clean it better now. So I'm done. So this is how to draw your eyebrow using the line method. I would call it that, using the line method. I actually saw this not on YouTube or on some Asian app, and I decided to recreate it and show you guys. So I'm also going to put a video to this for the Asian girl that did it in the video, and you guys can also see it. So with this, I've come to the end of this video today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So until next time guys, see you.